Choo TV.
Story time! Deep in the jungle, there lived a flock of birds. The elder bird in the flock always guarded the younglings. A hunter seized the birds and said, "Let me throw some nuts and grains and lay a trap. I need to hunt them and take them home for dinner." The younglings noticed the nuts and grains on the ground. The younglings did not realize that it's a trap. They flew towards the nuts and grains to collect them. The elder bird stopped them and said, "Younglings, food does not come free in the jungle. Anything that comes without hard work is not good." The hunter overhears the elder bird talk to the younglings. The hunter was disappointed and started to walk away. As he starts to walk, he hears the elder bird say that it is time to collect some food. The hunter notices the elder bird leave, and he said to himself, "Oh yeah, the elder bird has left. It's my best chance to capture the younglings." Noticing the nuts and grains, the younglings flew down, wanting to collect them. They got trapped while collecting the nuts and grains. "Oh no! We got trapped!" The hunter, with a sheepish grin and scary laugh, said, "Ha ha 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 ha! I got you all! Be ready to get into the bird cage." The younglings got so scared and started to cry for help. "Help! Help! Help!" The elder bird, returning from the hunt, heard their cry. "I told you younglings not to be cheated by anything free. Look what has happened now." The elder bird notices a youngling try to break free from the net. "Heed to me, younglings! Look at how these ants work together to carry the big chunk of food." Likewise, flop your wings together, and you will realize your strength. It was a surprise to see what happened next. The younglings flapped their wings together, and the trap broke free from the ground. The younglings were up in the air with the trap. The hunter came running just to see the younglings fly away and said, "Oh well, I failed to capture them." The hunter was so disappointed that he threw the cage and went away. The little younglings broke free from the trap and went back to their nest. They remembered the lesson learned and lived happily ever after.